Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to say that I've bought a new exhaust. Yeah baby.
Can I be your superhero?
So I've got the exhaust and I've bought the hardwares to mount the exhaust. So it's time to check out the unboxing video of the exhaust that I bought. So what exhaust did I bought? Hey, soon you know. So this exhaust I've been hunting up and down for since before I bought this bike. That would take you about a year, more than 1.5 years ago. Before I bought this bike, I've already surveyed which exhaust system I should buy or what I like. So it's only based on YouTube sounds. To be honest, YouTube sound, it wouldn't be that accurate, but to me, based on my personal preference, even in YouTube it sounds immense. It's a sexy beast. So I guess in this episode, the last sound of the current pipe that I'm using now is the Akrapovic and a Leo Wins muffler. So it's time to change it off. So why did I choose this? Because the first time I heard it in real life, man, the sound doesn't go through your ears, man. It goes through your heart. Like seriously, the sound goes right into your heart. It touches your soul, man. It's like heaven. Because this particular bike, I kind of like it when it thumps very bassy sounds, you know, which the exhaust that I bought actually does that. So okay, so next I'll be doing the installation of the exhaust all by myself, man, all by myself. So guys, leave a comment below and state which brand of the exhaust system you guys like and prefer, because I would like to see what's the public selection for the exhaust system for motorcycles. Because so far this is the favorite system for this bike based on my preference. Man, the sky is getting so dark. Shit. So guys, there you have it, the Akrapovic for the MT07. So I've gone with the titanium version. So let's go and unbox this thing. So here we have the headers and the hardware assembly stuff. And then the muffler itself. So let's check it out. Wow, Akrapovic. That's some fancy shit, man. And it's not light, to be honest. is quite heavy. So let's go ahead and check what's in the other stuff. So inside here there is some hardware mounting tools. So you have the NTC's copper paste, then the mounting brackets with all the hardware accessories, the mount for the auto sensor, check this out. There's a bolt sealant for to prevent it from loosen up during vibration from the bike. So you have to use this adapter for the O2 sensor and the plate for the mounting of the Akrapovic muffler. So that's about it, and the headers itself. So you've got the manufacturer warranty. Not sure how long is the warranty though. Then the user guide. Is this a user guide? I don't know, but I'll be reading it up later. Unleash the headers. Oh, it's kind of light, these headers. So I'll begin the installation the next day because it's quite late and it's about 9 something now, so I'll do it tomorrow after work. So let's check out the video next. So that's all for today, guys. So this is my new Akrapovic or Akrapovic, whichever they want to pronounce it. So this is it.